Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your deck on the Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the cards icon at the left right corner of the screen and go to the Duel Studio and tap to the deck editor section and click to the deck and here select a card on the left side on the screen and tap to the add button. Select another card and tap to the add and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.